to Gurudongmar.
Well, I guess if you truly love nature, you will find beauty everywhere. But I think to me, the nature of North Sikkim was something that was beyond words.
So just now came back from 0 point to Lachung, and the driver said that we have to go to Lachen now. The checkout time for this hotel was 12 p.m. but it's 3 p.m. So we are already late by 3 hours. So the hotel management, the homestay management came here and said that you have to make the checkout as soon as possible. I had already packed my bag, so we'll be going out for lunch. We will have our lunch now, and then we will go for Lachen.
It was almost 3:45 p.m. in the afternoon. I set off for Lachen from Lachung. The weather forecast was to rain, and there was a bit of rainfall too. There was a benefit to the rain. It made the mountain trees greener, which was tranquilizing. The journey from Lachung to Lachen was of 3 hours, so the car had stopped for a tea break. While going to Lachen, I was accompanied by the mighty Tista River. By the time I reached Lachen, it was totally dark.
भैया 109 नंबर रूम का चाबी देना, वो हमारा है.
ठीक है, दे रहे.
After 3 long hours of journey, finally reached Lachen from Lachung, and the homestay is fairly okay, but all I need is a good bed. That's there. I will unpack my luggages and I will have my dinner and straight to the bed. भाई आज खाने में क्या है?
आपका होगा नॉन वेज में चिकन है, दाल है, सब्जी है.
चिकन
वेज में पापड़ है.
तो हम तो नॉन वेज ही खाएंगे. तो लीजिए.
After the dinner, I didn't take much time to go to the bed, as I had to prepare myself for the next day's journey. This was the first thing that Lachen had to offer me, and I did not miss this chance of grabbing it.
It's 5:30 in the morning and I'm all prepared for Gurudongmar Lake. This is so cold out here, and the wind that is blowing, I don't know what I will do up there, but literally I'm very much shivering out of cold. So let's see what happens in Gurudongmar.
Lachen is a small town in North Sikkim at an elevation of 2600 meters. It is commonly said that the sun shines brightest from the peak of the mountains, but unfortunately the weather was still gloomy. To be honest, I was hoping for a clear sky at Lachen.
दादा ये जगह का नाम क्या है?
Yathang.
Yathang Valley. So this is the first stop towards Guru Dongma Lake. This is known as Yathang Valley, and we have stopped over here to have some breakfast. So let's see what we have in the breakfast.
अच्छा बनाया ना।
After finishing the breakfast, I quickly hopped onto the car and started for Kalapathar. I had an opportunity of visiting Guru Dongma Lake previously, but I haven't visited Kalapathar. So this was the first time I was about to visit Kalapathar, and I was super excited. It took me around 1 hour from Yathang Valley to Kalapathar.
I am at Kalapathar right now. Never expected this kind of beauty from this place. Yesterday I went to 0 Point, but I feel that Kalapathar is better than 0 Point. This is such an awesome place. But first, I thought that we will go to Guru Dongma from Lachen, and while returning to Lachen, we will visit Kalapathar. But our driver said that no, first we will visit Kalapathar, and after that we will go to Guru Dongma Lake. So we don't have much time in Kalapathar, but the limited time that we have, we are enjoying to the most. And it's snowing in Kalapathar. I'm just spellbound with this beautiful place. This is awesome. This is really awesome.
Here comes the most exciting part of the entire route. Yes, I had finally started for Guru Dongma Lake from Kalapathar. At Kalapathar, I was at an altitude of 4,500 meters and was slowly going up towards 5,150 meters for Guru Dongma Lake. I have seen a lot of pictures of Ladakh and Zanskar Valley, and trust me, I could relate the landscape of this place to those. I was going through the cold desert of Sikkim.
Dongmar, and I think I'm reaching near to heaven.
ज़्यादातर नहीं रुकेंगे यहाँ पर, हाँ 10-15 मिनट रुकेंगे, सांस का प्रॉब्लम होता है।
I am at Sikkim's highest lake, Lake Guru Dongmar, and this is such a beautiful lake. This is my second time visiting Guru Dongmar lake, but I wish I can visit this lake 100 of times. It is so windy out here. This is so amazing. The water of this lake is full blue, and clouds that are going over the lake is leaving a shadow in the lake, and that's looking awesome.
Apparently, my trip was almost completed after seeing Guru Dongmar Lake. I returned to Lachen from where, after having my lunch, I had set off for Gangtok at that day itself, and thereafter returned to Kolkata the next day.